On November 16, 2021, another natural disaster struck Italy. In the city of Catania, the region of Sicily, a huge destructive tornado has formed in the sea and on land. The natural disaster was accompanied by strong hurricane winds, rains and devastating hail. It is known about at least 2 such tornadoes that took place in Trapani, in Marinella di Selinant and in Catania. At the moment it is difficult to say whether they caused any material damage. Information about the victims has not yet been reported. The inhabitants of the region were greatly frightened and shipping was temporarily suspended. Many cars were damaged as a